Copper tea, is it safe or risky? Let us discuss all about this in this video. Hi, this is Dr. Abinaya Vijayakumar, a doctor and a post-pregnancy expert. For those of you watching me for the first time, I take post-pregnancy classes to pregnant women where I teach them how to stay happy, positive and confident throughout their pregnancy and to connect with the child in the womb using simplified Garb Sanskar technique. To know more about the course, check out the tag mango link provided in the description. I have trained more than 2000 plus pregnant women and I have testimonials of more than 100 plus happy mothers. Do check out my Instagram page Mommy with Bigger Dreams and also follow my page for more such informative videos. Do subscribe to my channel and press on that notification bell icon so that you receive regular updates on upcoming videos in this channel. I post regular content on various topics related to pregnancy and motherhood because I am on a mission to help 1 million pregnant women have a happy and confident pregnancy using simplified Garb Sanskar techniques. With no further delay, let's jump into the video. Copper tea. What is this? It is a contraceptive device. Like how we have condoms or oral contraceptive pills, this is a contraceptive device which will be inserted into the uterus of the women. Why is it called copper tea? Because it is made up of copper and it is in T shape. The two horizontal limbs will be inside the fallopian tube and the vertical limb will be in the uterus cavity. What does it do exactly? Copper has contraceptive properties. Because this device is inserted into the uterus of the women, because of which it acts as contraceptive, preventing unwanted pregnancy. For whom do we suggest copper tea? Copper tea can be used in all women who want to avoid unwanted pregnancies. In India, we prevalently use copper tea for women who had delivered the first child in order to provide an adequate birth spacing before they go for the second child. This will avoid unwanted pregnancies during the lactation period. So if it's a C-section, the copper tea would be inserted after the delivery of the child into the uterus and then would be closed. And if it's a normal delivery, copper tea would be inserted during the early postnatal period. There are so many varieties of copper tea and each has a different shelf life. Shelf life is nothing but how much duration you can use a single copper tea. In India, we mostly use copper tea which has a shelf life of 5 years and 10 years. What is the advantage of copper tea? Copper tea, unlike other contraceptive devices, can be inserted and forgotten. So you need not worry about unwanted pregnancy every time. But when it comes to condom, the couple has to remember each time to use condom during the active sexual intercourse. And when it comes to oral contraceptive pill, the woman has to remind herself to take the contraceptive pill every single day. This can be a Herculean task. What is the side effect of copper tea? Copper tea, because it has copper, it acts like a foreign body inside the uterus and sometimes can lead to infections. Number 2, sometimes the women can have menorrhagia, which means excessive bleeding or abnormal increase in frequency of bleeding. Number 3, sometimes copper tea can get misplaced. So it can either come into the cervical canal or it can go up further into the fallopian tube or sometimes into the abdominal cavity, penetrating through the uterus wall. In India, especially in the rural places, there are so many myths around this copper tea and women or elders in the family are against the usage of copper tea. Sometimes the family members are not cooperative such that the woman, even if she is willing to take a copper tea, she does not get the chance to decide because there are so many myths. What are these myths? Number 1, copper tea can spoil the health of the women. Copper tea can lead to tiredness, weight loss or excessive fatigability leading to ill health of the women. This is absolutely not true. Like I said earlier, sometimes this can lead to excessive menstruation. But apart from that, this is not going to spoil the health of the women. Number 2, copper tea always gets penetrated and you need a surgery to remove it. Not always. There is a minor percentage that copper tea can get misplaced or penetrated into the abdominal cavity, which is less than 1 to 3%. But considering this minority of chances, you cannot avoid such an effective device which will avoid unwanted pregnancy for a long period of time. Number 3, copper tea will lead to secondary infertility. This is absolutely false. Copper tea does not leave any trace once it's removed from your body. So if you're planning for the next pregnancy, you can remove the copper tea and from the very next month, you can start planning your pregnancy. So as a woman and as a doctor, do I suggest copper tea? Absolutely yes. Copper tea is an excellent contraceptive device when it comes to contraception for a longer duration of time. And the biggest advantage is you need not remind yourself. Once inserted, you can forget and you can start doing your routine works. I hope you found this video useful. Do like, comment and subscribe to my channel and press on that notification bell icon to receive regular updates on upcoming videos in my channel. Do share it with another woman who is afraid of copper tea such that she gets the right knowledge about it. Comment below if you have any more doubts about copper tea so that I can clear it up in the upcoming videos. Until I meet you in the next video, stay happy, stay mommified.